Okay, I'm sitting at the GCU lobby. I just did a little video for the Residency 851. Okay, that's the first residency, and I realized that, you know what, like, just in case somebody don't have access to the DC network, I should just kind of give you a snap of what I put on there. So I'm gonna show you on the DC network where I posted it. You could look at it. Okay, it's the Residency 10/8 to 10/12, 2018, of course. Okay, so if you go on the DC network, this is the title. It says, I hope you can see it, First Residency 851 as of 10/08/18 to 10/12/2018. Okay, so basically everything is spelled out for you for the most part of what the experience is like, from the hotel to the food to the professors and so forth and so on. So go on there, and if you look at it, press a like and put a comment. So pretty much I talked about, there's a great article, I don't know if you can see it, Understanding, Selecting, Integrating Theoretical Framework in Dissertation Research, Creating a Blueprint for Your House. Cynthia Grant explained that so well. By the time you're done, it's long, but by the time you're done, you will understand. I put the link and everything there for you too. By the time you're done, you will understand what it means about the theoretical framework. It really defined it really well, an easy way to understand. So I'm tired. I'm just waiting to go to the airplane, and my plane is not coming anytime soon. So I'm just tired. I've been sitting here. So the exam that they give, there's an exam that the professor will give you prior to. Well, you don't have to take the exam, but it will be on the website. All the questions will be on there. Do it ahead. Answer all of the questions, because let me tell you what, all of the questions will be on the test, and they might let you use your note. You might not be able to copy and paste, but they might let you use your note depending on the professor. And most of them will let you use it because it's a lot of questions, and you don't have to answer all of them. When it comes to the second page, I think they're gonna give you 3 questions, 2 answers, but you have to answer all of the questions because you don't know which 3 on the second page they're going to pick. Okay, so don't delay on that. Answer all of the questions and don't wait. Answer each and every questions, because it will be and they will grade it, and it will count towards your grade. So answer all of the questions. Okay, so I think I said my name right, Edna. You saw it on the tag, right? Getting my doctorate at GCU. So okay, anyways, so they don't want you to cut and paste if you answer all of the questions for the exam, but you could use it as note, and then all you do is just go back and forth and copy it. And if you could print it out, that'd be even better. Print it out or write it, so that way when you answer the question, they give you about 45 to 50 minutes to answer all of the questions. So you have to hurry up and type it in. So print it out and bring it with you. You will have homework just about every night, and most night maybe they give you 1 or 2 nights off. Be prepared to have your topic changed at least once or 3 times. Okay, some people got the topic changed the last, Thursday, the day before the presentation. Now, those people stayed up all night trying to figure the 10 strategic point out. So be prepared. Don't be so stuck in your topic, because if they change it, it might work in your benefit. Okay, so it might work for the best. So don't be you're gonna be upset a little bit because you done all this research, you done read all that stuff, and then how dare them change your topic, right? But don't be too mad, because when they change your topic, it might align with what you were saying better. Okay, so be open-minded with that. It's tough, but be open-minded with that. Okay. You will get a chance to work one-on-one with the professor. They are very beneficial because they will guide you in terms of what you need to do. They'll ask you questions about what you're really saying, but they will guide you. They'll be your guide, how about this? And they will help you look up, theoretical framework, your case study and all of that as well, if you're not sure. Try to align everything in your 10 strategic plan as much as possible, because when you come, that'll be less work for you to do. Okay? The food is pretty good. Snack, it's not, you know, the snack is so-and-so, because every time we have snack over there, it's like steaks and some. It was okay. The snack was okay. I mean, what happened to fruits and for snack? I don't understand that. Breakfast was pretty good because they give fruits and give you several options. Lunch is pretty good if you like that kind of food. It's not bad, you know, but it was pretty good. The chef, they do a good job. Snack sucks. I don't know what they were doing for snack. Like, and if you need water, water is free at the GCU desk. The guest check-in, ask for that. They have water. Just all day ask for water. And then they have ice in the residential place. They have ice, they have water and stuff like that. But don't be buying water from the machine. They have it here for free. They don't tell you it's for free. So anyways, they have a pool, they have a jacuzzi, rooms are nice, they're clean, they change everything every day. And you know, they give you new towels and stuff. The jacuzzi is nice. They have light. They light up everything out there. You know, the pool is open until I think 10 o'clock or something like that. Very nice. But the time, if you're gonna have time to go to the pool, probably not. Okay, probably not. But it's there. Okay, it's there. If you want to take a 15 minutes, they have a gym. It's okay. It's not like you know, but it's okay because I like going to the gym. So, but I only went one time, and it was for like about 30 minutes. So I bought clothes for every day. So forget that. You might not have time, but if you manage your time and you do all I'm telling you ahead, you might have time to enjoy the pool, the jacuzzi, and manage to work out. Okay, now, apply before. Okay. Know your background study. Okay, like, you know, that have been done prior to you identifying your gap. Okay, and your references need to be 2017, 2018. If they're not, you will be changing it in the long run, so you might as well get it straight with 2017, 2018. Okay, if you don't use current citation, you have to choose new ones that will affect your topic. Okay, the gap is basically what is missing from your background, okay, of your study. What is missing? What are you gonna bring to the table in literature that's gonna enhance what's already out there? It has to be something different. It can't be the same thing. But you need background of what has been done in order for you to create your gap. Because if you don't know what they did, you don't know what you're gonna be filling in. Okay? So you will ensure that to contribute to literature, okay, by closing that gap, by providing citation as well with that. The gap, problem statement, design, model, methodology. Your methodology basically is a quantitative, qualitative. The phenomena being studied are critical. So find out what those are. What is the instrument you are using? Your data collection, basically, that's your instrument. Is it questionnaire? Is it peer review? You know, quantitative have a different set of things. You know, data collections and qualitative have a different set. So find out what they are. You know. And there's quantum method. There's different things, like you find out what they are. Okay, read on it. Like the DC Network have all the documentation that you need. So read up on that before you come. Like download what they tell you to download and read up on that, because that's gonna help you a lot. Okay. Your research question comes from your problem statement. So work on your problem statement. It is very critical. It's a critical piece. Okay, Dr. Harshman clearly stated, if it is not covered in your research question, it should not be in your research question. If it's not covered in your topic, your problem statement, you should not put it in your research question. Okay, the instructor in the dissertation class will start working with you. So one-on-one. I said that already. Okay, you need at least 2 variables, at least 2 research questions. It is not recommended to do 1 research question. Okay. It is recommended to ask permission to collect your sample size at any specific organization. It needs to be in writing, and you need to ask permission from the GC network individual. I don't know who they are, but you need permission for you to do that. Okay? Your theoretical foundation. The gap should lead to the problem statement. You have a chance to work in groups, which is very helpful. Okay? Make connections, make friends, exchange your information, exchange numbers. You are not alone in this process. If you need help, get all the help you can get from the people who know more than you do. And lastly, The presentation was nerve-wracking for me, anyway, because you only have... No, oh, I make a mistake. It's not 10 minutes to talk. I'm tired, y'all. It's not 10 minutes to talk. You have 3 minutes to talk. 3 minutes to talk about your 10 strategic points, okay? It's 10 points, but you will only cover 9 points because you don't have to cover the purpose statement. I'll give you a 30-second, and they will give you a 30-second warning before your time is up. If you are not done with your presentation, some professor will let you finish. If you have an assigned chairperson already, they might be there for additional feedback. You receive instant feedback from the professor of your chair and your chair. If they are not clear of your topic, still they will ask questions, or doctoral students sometimes have questions as well. I was extremely nervous, but I did it, okay? With peer support, a lot of support helps, okay? God bless and peace out. And remember, the presentation is 3 minutes. I'm tired. I say 10 minutes. No, you don't have 10 minutes. 3 minutes. I hope that helped. Good luck.